guys and welcome back to Brainwash. So Family Man season 2 finally released after a long wait, and frankly it was pretty worth it. The first season of Family Man was a big success and it genuinely was one of the best shows of that year. And season 2 definitely lived up to the expectations and the hype that surrounded this show. So the story of Family Man season 2 takes off from a year past the incident, and we get to see what most of our leading characters have been up to in the past year or so. Now to be honest, that would have been pretty boring to watch in the first episode or so. But directors Raj and DK threw in a tense hostage situation in there to make the episode interesting. And hence the story picks up its pace right from the get-go. Soon we have Manoj Bajpayee working with the task team again. But this time around the story feels more personal to his character. In season 1, we had Manoj Bajpayee struggling to juggle between his personal and professional life. But in season 2, you see the direct effects of his professional life on his family. Not only him, even the villain Raji played by Samantha felt more human than Musa from season 1. While Musa was just a cold manipulative character, you could see the tortures and struggles that Raji went through in her life, and why she's a rebel terrorist. And the entire series feels like that. We get to see the human side of almost all of the people involved. Apart from the acting by Manoj Bajpayee and Samantha, the biggest plus point of the season was his direction. Raj and DK both directed 4 out of the 9 episodes of this season, while Supan Verma directed the rest of the 5. But the quality of all of the episodes didn't falter. What especially stood out were the action sequences. Just like in season 1, there's a huge one-shot action sequence that is just thrilling to watch. And even the action sequence that is in the end is shot smartly to make it look like a one-shot sequence, and it's hella entertaining. We also like the director's choice of using the Tamil language wherever it was necessary. It gave off a more authentic vibe to the entire show. In fact, there are more Tamil language scenes in this season than there are Hindi. And that is something a fraction of the audience may not like. But for us, it just improved the quality of the show immensely. And for that, we have to give credit to the writers and the creators, as that makes the conversations look more natural. And that brings us to the acting. Almost everyone in this show is in their natural element. As we all know, Manoj Bajpayee as an actor can pull off any kind of role. And he does that once again in season 2, and he's just superb once again. And he has the perfect enemy to face up against. Samantha Akineni is a revelation as Raji, as she makes you feel for a character that is 100% bad. In fact, there are times where you root for her character even though she has just murdered someone. The show manages to put forward the idea that we might see her as a terrorist, but for some people she's a freedom fighter. Her goal in life is to right the wrongs of her past, and she's brainwashed enough to feel like she's the hero. And it's this belief that conflicts with Shrikant's idea of protecting the power of the nation at all costs. These two characters keep you hooked onto the show no matter what is going on around them. Watch out for the interrogation scene that both of these actors have together. The acting on display is marvelous. And they are obviously supported very well once again by the likes of Sharif Hashmi, Priya Mani, Ravindra Vijay, Ashlesha Thakur, and some returning actors like Sharad Kirkar, Dilip Tahil, and Sunny Hinduja. All in all, almost everyone that comes on screen perfectly fits the role that they are meant to play, whether it be the idiotic boss or the lady police officer helping the investigation. Everyone looks and acts their part perfectly. Coming to the more technical details of the show. We already told you about the several one-shot sequences in this series that look great and which obviously required a great amount of camera work and screenplay. But this series genuinely looks good. Some of the aerial shots of different cities and villages look different than the usual shots that we are used to seeing. And that makes the series more beautiful. The action choreography is also wonderful, especially all of Raji's scenes. They are well thought of and executed to perfection. The music is also tense when necessary and fun when it's supposed to be fun. And that is one of the biggest plus points of the show in general. It mixes its tense moments very well with the funny ones. At one point you will see this chase between the heroes and the villains, and in the next scene you will see JK asking his colleague to put ointment on his back. All in all, Family Man season 2 doesn't try and do something different from season 1 in terms of its execution, but it tries to improve on the characters and the universe that they built in the first season. This season is definitely more compact and on point as compared to the first season, and it comes off nicely as the story flows better and it's more of a breezy watch. with its incredible acting, wonderful direction and storyline, and that simple charm that this show has. Family Man Season 2 is definitely a must watch. So guys, this was our review for Family Man Season 2. Do let us know in the comments below, did you binge watch it overnight or are you a sane person and you're gonna watch it now? Also, if you've watched it, what did you think about the show? Let us know. Also, do let us know in the comments below what are the videos you want us to make next. Follow our social media handles to get to know us better, like and share this video and subscribe to Brainwash for more videos like these.